How to cancel a book return on Audible. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how you can cancel a book return on Audible. To cancel a book return on Audible, the first step is for you to go to the Audible website and then sign into your account. And then once you're signed in and you're brought to the home page, the next step is for you to move to the right side of the screen where you can see your name, and then by placing your mouse on your name, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, scroll down and click on Account Details. Now, by clicking on Account Details, you will be brought to your accounts page. So move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar. Scroll down and click on Purchase History. So by clicking on Purchase History, you will be brought to your Purchase History page where you see all of the books that you've purchased yeah, all right, all of the books that you've purchased here, and including the one that you have intended to return. So the next step is for you to locate the book that you previously returned. All right, and then once you've selected the book, next to the title of the book, you'll see the option return this title. Right, the option return this title. Once you see that, click on it and then confirm your cancellation. Just like that, you'll be able to cancel a book return. Now, if you've tried this and then you could not find the option next to the book that you intended to return, the next will be for you to reach out to the customer support. All right, and how do you do so? Go to the right side of the screen again and click on the help option. And so by clicking on help, you'll be taken to the help centers page, and on this page you can see different articles that has been addressed. All right, that has been provided for you to ask your question, and then if you could not find an answer there, click on contact us and you'll be able to contact the customer support directly through chat or through phone call. All right, by selecting the main issue they're having here, select the topic, then select an option that is closest to your issue, and then the options will available for you would be displayed. Just go ahead, select the option that you want the most, and you're good to go. So this is how you can cancel a book return easily on Audible. Thank you for watching and have a good day.